We are from Government Science Secondary School Tungan-Maje, FCT Abuja, located between latitude 8.894069 and 10 degree north and longitude 7.1860402 degree east. Our vision is to render qualitative and functional education capable of evolving a complete personality with moral, academic, and social tools for enviable development leading to a positive change for a better society. Our mission is to serve as a reliable and dependable platform to produce intellectual giants with sublime character by providing enabling environments where students find the needed resources to realize the bundle of potentials in and on them and attain fullest best personality they could. In the heart of FCT Abuja, there is a school where thinking positively isn't just a slogan, it's our way of life. We are Government Science Secondary School Tungan-Maje. As the only science school under the Secondary Education Board, our identity is built on foundation of curiosity, creativity, and solution seeking. We are not just students, we are creators, innovators, and proactive change makers. Our 3 departments, science, humanities, and business and technology, work in synergy, fueling a unique environment where ideas collide and excellence is born. And this excellence is proven. Our legacy speaks for itself. Daniel Enese was crowned the overall best in the National JETS competition. He is currently studying medicine in USA on the scholarship. We were awarded Best Innovative School for creating Bino Nectar, a healthy supplement in an entrepreneurial competition. In garment making national sewing competition, our students took 2nd position and our school emerged 1st position. In sports, Solomon Ghana took 1st position in ANCOP Zonal High Jump competition in Abuja and 3rd in national, which took place in Lagos. In javelin, Echo emerged 1st position in both Abuja and Lagos in the same competition. Our ingenuity earned us 3rd place at the Society of Engineers competition with our smart charcoal briquettes. In the same year, during World Science Day project competition, titled Global Science for Global Well-Being, our school took 3rd position. In the Young Animal Sciences School Quiz competition, organized by Real People's Concept, we took 3rd position. Our voices are as sharp as our minds, clinching 1st position in debates organized by the MacArthur's Foundation in conjunction with Wole Soyinka Investigative Journalism and AD4 Television Radio and the ICPC. On Nigeria Info FM 95.1, the I Beg to Differ regional debates, we came 3rd, and that qualified us to represent FCT at the national level. Cultural festival is not left out. We performed amazingly, as you can see. So much to talk about, but for time constraint, we pause here. But what we are truly proud of is our resourcefulness and our teamwork. We don't just collect achievements, we use them as a signboard to make a tangible, positive change in our community. And this is precisely why we are here today in the energy battle of the title competition. We present our trial solutions, the smart power body, our smart table light, and our emergency charger. Our motivation is clear and urgent. Just a stone's throw from our school lies Angwambasa, Bakru Manuni, a community plagued by persistent power outages. This darkness hinders education, businesses, and daily life. Our answer is trial of innovation. The smart power body is portable, rechargeable power, inverter designed to light up homes and charge small devices. The smart table light provides focused, efficient illumination for students to study and for families to gather. The emergency phone charger ensures vital communication lines remain open. We are not just in this competition to win a title, but we have lit up our energy village and Gwambasa Kwekru Meloni village. A satellite in Tungan-Maje, FCT Abuja, with our trial products, smart power body, smart table lamp, and our emergency phone charger. We will be able to light up more homes, power small-scale businesses, enable students to study, homes and families to attend to their house chores, and enable seamless communication in Nigeria and beyond. With the resources from this competition as potential winners and partnering with other supportive organizations, we will produce more standard products, provide employment and opportunities, and offer better and affordable alternative solutions to national grid electricity. We are Government Science Secondary School, Tungan-Maje. We are champions, we are positive changers. Our track record of innovation, our unwavering teamwork, and our proven ability to turn ideas into impact are why we are the team that can truly deliver. We don't just imagine a brighter future, we build it. Vote for us, partner with us, let's bring the light together.
Here's our DC bulb, our solar panel, our smart power body, our powerhouse, backed by personal neighbor generator.
These are rechargeable table lamp.
These are emergency phone charger.
And these are our waste products. The lamp holder of our smart table lamp was built out from herbicide covers. And our emergency charger and the switch for our smart power body is also being sourced from covers of water bottles.
Here is our wind turbine. Use the energy of our advances. See, it's working perfectly.
These are future solar panel.
Great scientists.
Great!
Great scientists.
Great!
Great scientists.
Great!
What was your experience so far during the Battle of the Energy Titans 2025?
Personally, I've experienced a lot. I've even acquired some knowledge that I don't have before coming into the competition of the Battle of the Energy Titans. Now, as a science student, I can proudly say that I can produce my own inverter, and I also know some principles behind science and technology that I don't know before coming into the project of producing the smart power board.
So tell us your experience during the Battle of the Energy Titans 2025. We passed through many challenges while producing our products, such as sometimes when students would prep, we didn't go to prep. When people were sleeping, we had to stay out so that we could complete our projects. But despite everything, as they say, no pain, no gain, we were able to pass through all those challenges and we were able to come out with our products. The smart power body, the smart table lamp, and the emergency phone charger. Today, I can proudly say that personally, before, when I was not engaged in this project, I could not speak out boldly. But today, I can proudly come out and say anything I want to say without even getting scared of the crowd. So I want to say a very big thank you to the Energy Battle of the Titans for making me who I am today.